boy. Mood. As you can see by the title, getting another dog. This time it was not my idea. At this point, pretty much gonna have a zoo. So right now my parents have a dog named Max and Benji. We got Max like 4 years ago. I got a dog.
It's Max. Hi.
And then I surprised my parents with getting Benji, and that was like 6 months ago. To sum it up, I bought my parents a dog and they don't know about it. My dad is gonna disown me. I'm like shaking. He looks like a teddy bear.
Oh, no way.
Ever since then, my parents and I are like obsessed with them. So we were like, okay, what's another dog? My dad actually wanted to wait a while to get a dog, but my mom really wants another dog, and she wants it to be a black dog because this is gonna sound ridiculous. My mom's like, I really want another dog. Like, I want to have an ombre because, which is like, you know when girls get their hair done and it's like dark to light? Yeah, that's what she wants. So it would be Max, Benji, and then the new dog, which would be black. It sounds insane. So yeah, we're gonna get a dog. His name's gonna be Cole. On Christmas, my mom decided that she wanted a dog. So his name is gonna be Cole. Also, disclaimer, I do recommend adopting and not shopping. It's kind of hard to find a hypoallergenic dog because my brother's allergic, and a Havapoo, which is the breed that my parents want. So there are no black Havapoos in the area, so yeah. I will leave a whole bunch of links of where you can adopt dogs and stuff like that. So yeah, before I start, definitely subscribe and turn my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing, so definitely click it. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram, which is @Krazyrayray. I will link it down below. I've been posting a lot on there. I can't believe they're gonna have 3 dogs. An ombre of dogs. I guess, let's go. My dad is about to leave for work, and he's not gonna be able to see the new puppy that we're getting until he gets back from work, so let's see what he has to say. Father. So, what are your thoughts about this?
What thing?
What thing? What do you think about us getting another dog?
It's gonna happen.
I know, he doesn't really have a choice, to be honest.
Nope, sure don't.
My mom and I were like, yup, we're getting another one.
So let's do it, let's get 5. Let's do it.
You heard it from him. We're gonna have a zoo by the end of this year. It's happening. So we just made it to get him. We're about to walk in and hopefully he's ready. You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
It's gonna be my boy. My boy.
Cole boy. Cole. Okay. It's the exact same place that we picked up Benji. I'm going to cry. He's in there. Oh my gosh. Mom, it's a black Benji boy. Oh my god. I can't even see him on your jacket. Mom. Holy bear.
Oh, it's the bobos.
Oh, look at his tail.
Oh my god.
He's hard to see on camera. Lighting to see. Oh my gosh, I left my phone over there. I'm literally too focused on Cole, I forgot my phone. He looks like a shadow. Oh, I'm in love. I can't wait for Benji and Max to meet Cole.
He's getting crazy already. We gotta get
Look at that good boy. Oh my god. So we are almost home and we're gonna like individually introduce the dogs to Cole. So you're gonna see Max meet him first and then Benji second. I'm so excited. And then we're gonna have them like meet all together.
Cole is feisty.
I know he's wild back there.
He's ready to go.
Aww. I just can't.
Are you so
get enough.
excited?
Oh my gosh, his tail is so funny. Are you ready to meet your brother? Yeah. You look scared. Oh, you want a stomach rub? Also, guys, this red stuff under his paws are allergies. Oh, you can't even see him. Come on, Max. Oh, who's that, Max? Who is that? Oh my gosh. Look at the handsome boy. Max, what do you think? Come here, Max. Come here. Are you shy? He like doesn't know what to do. He's like, okay, I'm done. He keeps like going back to him and then like forth. Max, what do you think? Max is like pacing back and forth. He like doesn't know what to do. He's like nervous, guys. His tail's in between his legs. Max is shaking too over here. Now it's time for Benji and him, and then we're gonna see all three of them together. A trio. Where's my Benji boy? Benji, whoa, he's already excited. Benji, you're gonna meet your brother. Not to me. Oh, God. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh. Benji's so excited. Oh, he sneezed. Benji.
Take him outside, take him outside, take him outside.
He's not gonna go potty. Go potty.
Go potty.
Benji, go potty.
Here, somebody take.
Oh, they're kissing.
I know, you're so happy. Let's go potty. Let's go
Cole's like, what is going on?
potty outside.
Are you back?
Is that your brother? Whoa, Benji. Oh, I love you. I love you. I love you too. He wants you to sit down.
Benji, how do you feel? How do you feel, Benji? Whoa. My brother's grabbing Max now. Cole's probably really overwhelmed. They're an ombre. Okay, so we are at Petco. Wait, no. Yeah, Petco. We're gonna get Cole a little ID tag. He's chilling though. Let's go. Here we go. What do you think, Mom?
I'm in love.
I'm in love with a stripper. No. Now you can actually see him.
We gotta get a collar that has color. I think we should do
red and black.
Hi, handsome boy. Do you like the red one?
Definitely can't get black because that would just blend in.
Maybe we can find some clothes while you're here.
Some clothes?
Yeah,
we need
some
clothes.
Okay,
Oh gosh. Yes. He's like, I've had enough today.
look at this button up. Aw, that's the one. How you doing?
We're gonna get this one that says BRC, which says belly rub. I can't talk. Belly rub club. And then this red one. So we're debating between these two. I feel like we should do black because his collar's red. We're getting the little tag thing. We got that one. Cole loves my shirt. Oh, he's going ham. Guys, I'm so sorry for our puppy voices. I know it's annoying. Cole has had a day. I think it's nap time. Oh my gosh.
Is that a boy?
Come on. Oh. Mom, look how fast he is.
Cole and I are gonna take some pictures together.
Well, that was a fail. Update, he peed again, so we had to take off my whole like mattress thing. So, love that. Press the record button.
Where is it? Right here?
The red one. Cole is taking a nap right now.
Look, Coley.
I think Benji was smaller.
He was.
Oh!
So you got Benji boy. So what's Cole gonna be?
Coley bear.
Coley bear.
Holy bear.
Cole boy.
Boy. I just told my dad to say, okay, this is the last dog. And he said, I don't know. Aww. Handsome boy. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so it's been a long day. Yeah, my makeup is crusting and I picked my pimple and I'm bleeding, so I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and enjoyed meeting Cole and getting Cole with us. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing, so click it, right? Why is he breathing so loud? I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Maybe Cole will too. Bye guys. Oh, I can cover you up with Cole.